Hi, it's George again over at eimports4Less here this morning, filming a short video about a vehicle that just came into us this morning. This one will be available for sale on the website within the next day or so. What we've got here is a 2020. This is a Volvo S60. It's a T6 all-wheel drive Momentum model. You can see the exterior color is gray metallic. The interior is black. This car's got 15,000 miles on it. Let's take a quick walk around, tell you a little bit about it. Again, it's a 2020. There's really nothing to talk about condition-wise here. Car's in excellent shape. Exactly what you'd expect out of a current model year 2020 car. You can see it's got the optional wheels on it. This car does have the cold climate package, which is front and rear heated seats and the heated steering wheel. Of course, navigation, backup camera, nice size moonroof, all that stuff. You can check out full details, all the window sticker options, Carfax, all that stuff on our website at eimports.com. Take a walk down the driver's side here. Again, nothing to talk about condition-wise. We'll spin around the front of the car here and then show you the inside. We're out filming in direct sunlight today, so I don't know how much of this interior we'll be able to see without shadows and stuff, but they do a great job with this interior. The dash nav screen here, you can see, is all built in, touch screen, just like a full-size iPad. Interior is in great shape, nothing to talk about condition-wise, much like the exterior. So let's look at the back seat. Yep, same as the front. Take a look at this panoramic moonroof is up here. Shade is closed, but it's basically the full size of the roof. See that, double pane. So again, a 2020, 15,000 miles on it. You can see some really great interior photos on our website at eimports.com. At that point, you won't be dealing with the shadows, and you can really see what that looks like. But check that out, eimports.com. If you're interested in owning this one, you want to buy it before somebody beats you to it, give us a call here at the dealership at 215-249-9100. Thanks for checking it out.